Hello, my dear students. Today I want to tell you about PM Modi launches PM Shri School scheme for the upgradation of schools. On 7th September 2022, Cabinet approved a new centrally sponsored scheme PM Shri Schools. PM Schools for Rising India. This new scheme Shri Schools by strengthening select existing school being managed by central government, state, UT government, local bodies, PM Shri schools will showcase all component of the national education system. 2020 act as exemplar schools and also offer membership to other schools in their vicinity. Key facts about this: PM Shri schools will provide high quality education in an justified, inclusive, and joyful school environment that take care of the diverse background, multilingual needs, and different academic abilities of children and make them active participants in their own learning process as per the vision of NEP 2020. PM Shri schools will provide leadership to other schools in their respective regions by providing mentorship. PM Shri school will be developed as green schools, incorporating the environment friendly aspect like solar panels and LED lights, nutrition gardens with natural farming, waste management, plastic free, and water conservation and harvesting. Study of tradition, practices related to protection of environment, climate change, related hackathon and awareness generation to adopt sustainable lifestyle. Pedagogy adopted in these schools will be more experimental, holistic, integrated, play, toy based, particularly in the foundation years, inquiry driven, discovery oriented, learner centered, discussion based, flexible, and enjoyable. Focus will be on learning outcome of every child in every grade. Assessment at all levels will be based on conceptual and understanding, application of knowledge to real life situations, and will be competency based. Assessment of the resources available and their effectiveness in terms of availability, adequacy, appropriateness, and utilization of for each of the domain and their key performance, and utilization of each of the domain and their key performance indicators will be done, and gaps will be filled in a systematic and planned manner. A school quality assessment framework is being developed specifying the key performance indicator to measure outcomes. Quality evaluation of these schools at regular interval will be undertaken to ensure the desired standard. PM Shri schools would be implemented through the existing administrative structure available for Samagra Shiksha, Kendriya Vidyalayas, and Navodaya Vidyalaya schools. The other autonomous bodies would be involved on specific project based as required. These schools should be monitored vigorously to assess progress and understand the challenges faced in implementation of National Education Policy 2020. Selection of PM Shri school will be done through challenge mode, where in school compete for support to become exemplar schools. Schools would be required to self-apply on the online portal. The portal will be opened 4 times a year, once every quarter, for the first 2 years of the scheme. The elementary schools class 1 to 5, 1 to 8, and the secondary school 1 to 10, 1 to 12, 6 to 12 managed by center, state, union territories governments. Local state self-government having UDISE plus code would be considered for selection under the scheme. Selection would be done through a 3-stage process with definite timeline, which is as follows. Stage 1. States UTs would sign MOU agreeing to implement NEP in entirety with center, laying down the commitment for supporting these schools for achieving specified quality assurance as PM Shri schools. Stage 2. In this stage, a pool of schools that are eligible to be selected as PM Shri schools would be identified based on prescribed minimum benchmark through UDISE plus data. Stage 3. This stage is based on the challenge method for fulfilling certain criteria. Only the schools from the above eligible pool of schools would compete to fulfill the challenge condition. Fulfillment of conditions would be certified by states, KVs, Navodaya Vidyalayas, JNVs through physical inspection. Thank you for watching this current affair.